Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get the airbag module out of a Citroen Berlingo or a Peugeot partner. This one's only got the two seats in the front. Some of them have a double passenger, so if you do have a double passenger seat, you will need to remove that seat to get to the airbag module. Usually held in with Torx bolts, I think, T45, if my memory serves me correctly. Probably the same size as this actually. It could be a T40 Torx. The only other thing you'll need is a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Now I've already undone the nuts in mine. We need to get under this centre console here, but I'll just give you a quick video on how to do it. So you need to take the plastic shielding off the handbrake cable, that just splits in, off the handbrake lever, that just splits in half. Then underneath this bit of carpet here, you've got 4 10mm that need to be undone. Two nuts at the front, might also be a little bit of carpet in there on yours. 2 bolts at the back. Then you lift this out completely from the back. The handbrake's still up. Lift that out of the way. The airbag module is down here. That's what you're looking for if you need to get your crash data reset or anything like that. I've already unbolted mine, 3 10mm nuts. Lift it out. Probably a good idea to do this with the battery disconnected. You press that little tab there, push the green bit back, so that releases the first plug. Do the same on the other side. Might need to get a screwdriver to help me with that, but you get the idea guys. That's where it is. Thank you for watching.